Hey everybody, Samwise here with Self Heal Herbs, and today we're making an Elderberry Oxymel. An Oxymel is apple cider vinegar and honey plus whatever herb that you're using, and today we are making an Elderberry Oxymel. And elderberry is really awesome for right when you that you're feeling to get sick, to really cut it short. It's a great antiviral. So we'll just go ahead and get started. So this is all of our elderberry. It is a blessing and a gift from our friend Tanya Stiller, who gave us this elderberry. And as you can see, it's about halfway full. Also, you might hear my cat making cat sounds because it's just that witching hour here in Oakland. Okay, so I like to make vinegars like 1 to 2, more or less, because that'll make a really nice strong vinegar. And then like 1 part plant to 2 part liquid. And then for the liquid, I'll fill it up like 3/4 of the way with apple cider vinegar and do the last quarter with honey. And I like to add them all in at the same time because I think that creates a really nice vinegar. So here it is, the moment of medicine making. In goes the apple cider vinegar, unfiltered, unpasteurized. I think it says, yeah, unpasteurized. So I'm going to do that much. There was already a little bit of vinegar in there too. I'm going to give it a little stir just to give you a sense of how much elderberry and how much liquid. And then I'm going to add the rest up with honey. It tastes delicious. Yeah. Honey is pretty viscous, so I'm going to use a spoon to get out as much as I can. Honey also has its own medicinal qualities, and it's a preservative, so it's really nice to have in with the medicine. Makes it last a little bit longer, makes it taste really, really yummy. And these elderberries were frozen and then unfrozen, but usually I work with fresh, but because they were a gift from a friend, they were frozen for a while. And that's basically it. I might stir it. I'm going to add a little bit of honey after we end the video, just to top it off. Yeah. And then to finish an Oxymel, I will put a piece of plastic over the top of it, like this, and then I'll add the lid, so that the lid, if it's metal, doesn't get corroded. And then the last and most important step, I'm going to label it so that I know what it is and when I made it, so that doesn't get confusing later on. And that's basically it. Elderberry is really awesome to have on hand, especially during cold and flu season. It's great. Like I said, like big amounts, like, you know, couple of tablespoons. Even in our house, we'll fill up like a little wine glass and have it in just like a cup when we start to feel that little tickle in our throat, and that can be enough to really stave off like a cold or a flu right in the beginning. And yeah, it tastes really good. It's super yummy, and yeah, that's it. So I'm labeling, and that's it. What's the date today? It's the November 21st. Happy Sagittarius season to all our Sag friends out there, including Seedmar Macon, who is filming this right now. So there's that. I want to say a really big thank you to all of our patrons who support us on Patreon. This elderberry is going to go out to the encampments, especially as it gets colder, through like the depths of winter. And also a really big thank you to the folks at the Pollination Project for giving us a grant to make even more medicines, and to give us the gift of some bottles like you see here. So thanks for everyone who's supporting our work. You all make it really possible, and thanks for joining us today.